Often we encounter situations where we have multiple variables that are all related. For example, consider this automobile crash test data consisting of strings, scalars, vectors, and matrices. In fact, a single crash test may have data from hundreds of sensors. With so many variables, analyzing the results of multiple crash tests becomes unmanageable. In these situations, we can use a structure array to better organize our data. A structure array is a MATLAB data type where a single variable can store many different types of data. Each set of data is stored in a container called a field, to which we can assign any array that exists in MATLAB. We can give each field a descriptive name, keeping in mind the usual rules for naming MATLAB variables. Let's create a structure variable for some of our crash test data. To create a structure, we first type the variable name, here crash test. We then use a dot to indicate that crash test is a structure. We define a field name, such as make, and assign it the value Honda Fit. We add new fields to the structure using a dot as well. The variable crash test is still a single structure variable, but now contains two fields, make and speed. The assignment operator works with structure fields just like other variables, and we can assign variables that already exist to new fields, as well as the output of functions to new fields. We now have a structure with 5 fields. We again use a dot to access data stored in a structure field, as with this command. Let's say we needed to modify the field speed to convert the units from miles per hour to kilometers per hour. We accomplish this task by providing the data stored in the structure field, as with this command. Finally, let's pass the entire structure as input into a function, giving the calling function access to all the data stored in the structure without entering each variable separately.